Ready for a fresh cut but don't have an appointment? Introducing Haircutnow, the same-day barber appointment website and app. After click on Start Your Request Now, first, tell us when and where you need your haircut. Specify who it's for, whether it's for an adult, a senior, or a child. And set your desired budget. In this step, you need to create an account by your name, phone number, email address, and desired password. Check agreement box and click on Next. An OTP will send to your given mobile. Input it. Enter your date of birth, gender, address, and zip code. We will do our best to find barbers who are willing to meet it. In less than a minute, you'll receive replies from multiple local barbers. Each one is ready to give you the look you want today. Browse through the profiles. Check out their previous work, see how far they are, and view ratings from others regarding their services. Found your match? Great! Just click to select your barber and secure your appointment with a simple $10 deposit, which will be deducted from your agreed-upon cost. It's that easy. Haircutnow is the fastest, simplest way to connect with the best local barbers around and ensure you look your best. Go ahead, put in your request now, and experience the easiest way to get your perfect haircut.